This is Arshad Muhammad Yasin Khan and Isha Liana Khan in front of you. So today is Friday 14th March 2025 and it is also 30th Ramadan. So today I would like to tell the last verse of Surah Baqarah. Here I go. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. La يكلف نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا ولا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا أو ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين صدق الله العلي العظيم. Now I would like to translate the summary into English. From the start, I seek refuge in Allah from the outcast of devil. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most kind, and the most merciful. Allah burdens not a person beyond his scope. He gets reward for that good deeds which he has earned, and he is punished for the bad deeds which he has earned. So that's all for now.